Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to remove an admin from your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, updated for the latest version. Managing your group's admin team is important, and sometimes you need to revoke admin rights from a member. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the group where you have admin privileges. Click on the group from your chat list to open it. Now, at the top of the chat window, you'll see the group's name. Click on the group name to open the group's profile page. On this page, find and click the edit icon, which usually looks like a small pencil or pen. Next, look for the section labeled Administrators. Click on it to view the full list of admins in your group. Here, you'll see everyone who currently has admin rights. Find the admin you want to remove from the list. Click on their name to open their admin settings. In this window, you'll see an option that says Dismiss Admin. Click on Dismiss Admin. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove this person's admin rights. Confirm your choice, and that member will immediately lose their admin privileges in the group. That's all it takes. You've successfully removed an admin from your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This process is quick, straightforward, and ensures you have full control over your group's management. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and good luck managing your Telegram group.